Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're diving into something that's taking the tech world by storm: digital twins. Whether you're into AI, IoT, or just tech in general, you'll want to stick around for this one. First off, what exactly is a digital twin? Think of it as a virtual replica of a physical object or system. It could be anything from a car engine to an entire factory. This digital copy is created using real-time data and advanced simulations, allowing engineers and analysts to test and optimize without touching the actual thing. Now, why is this a game changer? Let's take the automotive industry as an example. Imagine you're a car manufacturer. Traditionally, you'd have to build multiple prototypes, test them rigorously, and make adjustments. With digital twins, you can simulate how a car performs under various conditions: rain, snow, extreme heat, before you even build the first physical prototype. This cuts down on time, costs, and resources significantly. But it's not just about cars. The healthcare sector is also seeing huge benefits. Think about personalized medicine. Doctors can create digital twins of patients to simulate how they would respond to different treatments. This level of customization could lead to more effective therapies and better outcomes. And let's not forget about smart cities. Urban planners can use digital twins to model traffic flow, energy consumption, and even emergency responses. By analyzing these digital models, they can make more informed decisions to improve the quality of life for residents. You might be wondering, what tech makes all this possible? It's a combination of IoT sensors, cloud computing, AI, and machine learning. IoT sensors gather real-time data, which is then processed in the cloud. AI and machine learning algorithms analyze this data to create accurate simulations. So, what's the future look like for digital twins? As technology advances, these virtual replicas will become even more sophisticated. We're talking about enhanced predictive maintenance, more efficient supply chains, and even better environmental monitoring. The possibilities are endless. Alright, that's a quick overview of digital twins and how they're revolutionizing various industries. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. And hit the bell icon for more updates.